Okay, that's some other bird. I don't know what it is. Maybe go out of it. Whoops. Go out. Out. Oh, okay, it's coming into there. Now that one, let's see. That one is a Lewin's honey eater. Now I'm just going to go around here. Now I just move around there. I've got the red-browed finches. Wrong way. I'm trying to be a little more professional. Oh, I don't know why it's not focusing again. I've got the focusing issue. It's weird. So there must be something just in front of it and it's trying to focus on that. So you can sort of see those little guys there. Now I go back here, back. Now I'll just take that out because I don't know what that is. And it's a Lewin's honey eater. Lewin's honey eater. And those red-browed finches were hard to see. So I think there were about 3 there at one point. Oh, and now is a red-browed finches. I better do this because I'll get. There was about 3 of those. 2. Now I've got a crimson rosella. Crimson rosella is just 1. Little wattle bird is 1. Just flew in. Now that, if I can. No, it's gone. I don't want to do too many jagged movings around, so I think they've gone there from there. I'll go from. Don't understand why that. Yesterday it. Oh, there it is. That is the crimson rosella. Okay, so it wants to focus on that. Oh, and there's another red-browed finch just dropped in. So, okay. So I'm just going to pop this in front of the screen. Let me see. No, that's not going to work. Oops. Go out. Did that work? My famous, no, didn't work. Okay, there we go. Got that. Okay. Back down. Whoops, wrong way. I've got the little wattle bird. I don't know what those other 2 little things were. I'll have to look them up. The ones with they look like Lewin's thingies, but they're smaller and they're grey. What's that over there? Oh, that's a, I wonder if I can get it. Just bear with me. Hang on, I'm just going to stop recording. So that was a oh, there's one right there. The elusive wattle bird, little wattle bird. There it is. Someone's just been in the bird bath. Oh, gone back down. Now, this is where Another red-browed finch, another two. Oh, hold on. Red-browed finch, another one. Now there's a wonga pigeon. Hang on. I'll just pan around. See if we can get the wonga pigeon. Hold on. Just hold on. Whoops, wrong way. There he is. Or she. So there's a little red-browed finch there, and it's an eastern spinebill. Two of those. Oh, wait a minute. Two of those. And also two Lewin's honey eaters, and I think that's another. Oh, I can't really tell. And that's the wattle bird flying off. Have you got both those birds there? And there is a little finch in there as well. There's three birds there. Red-browed finch. It's another Lewin's honey eater. Oops. And wonga pigeon. It's gone. Oh no, it's still over there. Wonga pigeon. There we go. Oh, so maybe we just see if we can go back round to the crimson rosella's gone. Go back to there, because that's the birds coming down to the thing again. The water feeder. Bird bath. Oh my god, I said to myself, I'm going to have like a list of words, because I can't, that's a eastern spinebill, I just can't remember the, you need a prompt. That's probably the same one. Just need to come up just a bit. Oh, that's a bit better today, because we thought there might be a bit of a storm, so I thought, well, we better come out and do it. Make hay whilst the sun shines, because if there's a storm, the birds won't come out. What was that one? Oh, right, there is a storm. Oh, it's down. Oh, it's another red-browed finch. So there's two little ones in the grass there. They're eating the grass seeds. That's another Lewin's honey eater. Two different species there in the one shot. It's not bad. Drying off. And there's actually 4 different species that I can see right now. The wonga pigeon is still there, and just right down there in the grass, the little red-browed finches are in the grass, just in front of the bird bath. If I can find them. There, see, there's one eating grass seeds. So it's probably pays not to really mow too much, because the birds get to eat. And there's another one just, there it is. Just have to pull back a bit. I'll probably if I pull back I might be able to see the two. hopping about there eating grass seed. And there's another, there's a third one, just, no, it's not. Okay, so just go back to the bird bath because there's activity there again. Oh, that's another one of those ones. Now this is where, there we go. So it's one of those. So I've seen about 3 or 4 of them. Oh, they're so cute, they're little finches when they get in the long grass like that. So it's probably good not to mow the grass because then they've got the seed to eat, because we ran out of the small bird seed. But see, they still find something else to eat. So it's good not to mow the grass because then they can eat that seed. Now what's this? Something else is there. I can't see, it's behind some leaves. There go the red-browed finch. They've detected something and they've been frightened and they've flown back into the Monsterio delicio plant, to the safety of that. Oh, it's been quite good today. So we've had a bit of hive activity. Now it's eased off. There's nothing here now. I think the Wonga pigeon is still over there. Let me just oops. It's still over there. Sort of, you can't really see, it's gone behind that black thing or to the right of it. You sort of can see it now. Just a bit of the tail. Oops. I do a lot of oopses. What the hell's that? Some insect was coming to attack me. Yeah, you can see its head now. There it is. They just, they always are on the ground. And they just walk around a lot. They walk everywhere. And it's going back over to, it comes out of the compost bins from over there. Whoops, hang on. So I don't know if you can see the 2 compost bins in the background. It comes out of there because there's a creek. There's a creek over behind there, and it lives over there. We have about 2 or 3 that come here, and they like to frequent our backyard, and I have observed them going across and going over that way to the neighbour's property, and I've seen them go the other way to the other neighbour's property, but not as much now because they've got a dog that just can run around the backyard, and maybe they're a bit scared of going there. Not too sure, because it is a nice dog. I don't think it would be. It's one of those collie dogs, and they're really nice. They're very intelligent dogs. So, well, I tried to make better videoing today by stopping and starting when I'm adjusting the camera, so you don't have all that horrible yucky stuff. And it's very hard for me to edit all that out as well, because I'm not very patient with this stuff. This insect, get away, get away. Ah, what the heck is it? Go away. Ah, get off me. I don't know what it is, Moddy. Moddy came around to see what insect was attacking me. Ah, okay, just go here. Oh, horsefly? No, this one had an orange, look how beautiful. Look how absolutely beautiful. I love those birds. Oh, this, There's some more there. Oh, I think that's a brown thornbill. Okay, so there's 2 brown thornbills, and that's all been cleaned, that booba. And and then now there's another rosella. Yes, they're 2 brown thornbills. That's pretty nice. Oh, time's up. Okay. Well, that's time up. That's in the 20 minutes. And there's another rosella. And I've got to figure out what those other birds are. Oh, they're really cute too. Oh, look at that. See, the red-browed finches, they love to wallow in the water. They just get in there. So you go for a big swim. Oh, sorry. That one. I've got to figure out what that one's called. It might be yellow. I don't know if it's white. Okay, that's it for today.